So hello guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well and you all are fine and safe. So today I am making another DIY project on kaleidoscope. If you don't know what is a kaleidoscope is, so a kaleidoscope is the arrangement of mirrors in 60 degree in a triangular form or in equilateral form to view beautiful shapes. So if you don't know, the word kaleidoscope is derived from the Greek word kalos, which means beautiful, eidos, which means forms, and the word scopio, which means view. Together, when it merges, it makes a kaleidoscope. It is the arrangement of mirrors in such a way that it is used to view many forms. So today we are going to make this kaleidoscope. You can use it for your school project or for your home. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So this is what a kaleidoscope is. So basically a kaleidoscope works on the principle of multiple reflection. So when an object is placed between 2 or 3 mirrors in such a way that the reflection of the first object is repeated multiple times. So this forms an infinite reflection which gives you this kind of forms. So this is part of physics and I don't want to go to that depth. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, share to your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more such kind of videos. So if you want, you can comment down your views on this kaleidoscope, and if you want, you can ask me to make more such kind of DIY projects. So I hope you all have liked this. So see you in the next video. Till then, be safe, take care, see you, have a good day, keep doing DIYs and keep doing your watercolor and artworks. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.